Should we unite with the world in trying to find a cure for various diseases? What's the most recent one? The world is now saying, let's do this so we can raise money to find the cure for this disease. What is it called? ALS. And what are people taking? The ice bucket challenge. The ice bucket challenge. And once you take the ice bucket challenge, you must donate some money to the foundation of ALS. And now you must nominate others to go and take the ice bucket challenge. And they must write a check and send it to the ALS Foundation. Where did it come from? The dragon, the beast, the false prophet. It came from the world. Listen to what this says. Adventist Today, September 19th. Everything I'm showing you happened this week. It says, ice bucket challenge comes to who? Adventist. It says, listen, it says, Pastor Dave Weegley, president of the Denominations Columbia Union Conference in the Eastern United States, recently took the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Weegley is known for bold leadership, one of the first Union Conference presidents in the denomination to take steps to extend clergy ordination to women serving as Adventist ministers. Weegley encouraged others to also donate to ALS research and challenged Dr. Weymouth Spence, president of Washington Adventist University, and Pastor Charles Tapp, senior pastor of Sligo Church, the what, friends? The largest church in the Columbia Union Conference, to take the challenge. Then he said, set an example for Adventist leaders, he told his two colleagues. And the world is saying, friends, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge is a satanic ritual. The world is saying this. And I ask the question, have the children of this world in this generation become wiser than the children of light? Look at these two pictures here. Ice Bucket Challenge, the left top hand. But look at the second picture. These are two paintings of two men that they claim to be John the Baptist baptizing Jesus. But what does John have in his hand, so-called John? A cup of water. Pouring the cup of water on the head of Jesus. Firstly, is that the Bible's way of baptism? No, my friends. So where did the ice bucket challenge come from? It came from paganism. It came from popery. It came from the devil, my friends. What are we doing? Isaiah chapter 8. Is the world crying for peace and safety? I wonder how many of you took the ice bucket challenge. I hope none of you. Do you know I was shocked? My wife showed me on Facebook, we have even some prominent so-called present truth pastors. Not regular conference pastors now. Those who profess present truth, taking the ice bucket challenge. When Oprah took it, she said, in the name of ALS, ice bucket, I take this challenge. In the name of. Where do we find those words? Baptism. In the name of the Father, name of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. But watch this. The ice bucket challenge is satanic baptism. Isaiah chapter 8, We are crying peace and safety like the world, my friends. Where are we going to? Isaiah chapter 8. Are we there? Verse number 9. So friends, should we unite with the world?